Hey guys, Micah here from Micah Allen Productions, and I'm going to be showing you a basic CSS tutorial today about how to make a web page that's going to automatically adjust your content's position and your background image's size and position according to your user's position and the size of the web browser. So first of all, you need to find a cool picture that you want to use for the background. I just found this one off Google Images. Pretty cool, huh? Full credits to the author of that image. Now you're going to go to Dreamweaver or any other program that can save an HTML file. I'm not going to do much designing in this. Most of it's going to be coding. So create new HTML. So I'm going to set my title to CSS background YouTube. No, wait. MeTube. Waha. Alright, in your body tag, you're going to make a div, and that a table, cell spacing equals quotation mark 0. Cell padding also equals 0. Make sure that you have equal sign and quotation marks around the perimeters. You need an equal sign on the other side of the perimeter, but I'll zoom in on that. There you go. Just like that. Basic syntax of HTML. You're gonna, while you're in that, you're going to go with tr, td, and right here is going to be your actual image. I'm going to do img tag. Notice that I'm not using the classical background-image attribute because I'm not really positive that it gives you too many ways to manipulate the image or customize it anyway, like size. So I'm just going to use this, and this is what I prefer. Do whatever you want, but this is what I'm here to show you to do. Now ID equals BG image or whatever you can remember. Now source. This is where your actual file is. If you can actually browse for it, double click on that. JPG. No, sorry, a cool pic.jpg is what I called mine. Now make sure I'm gonna go ahead and save this file. Make sure that if you're not gonna use any directory listings in here. It's just you're going to say the file name. You need to put your HTML file inside the same folder where your picture is. I'm going to close everything up. Close the TD, close the TR, close the table, close the div. Alright, now while you're still inside your body tag, your body element, you're going to make a new element called style. This is where your actual CSS coding is going to go. Sorry about that. Make sure you close it off with /style. Alright, now in here, you're going to do body, comma, HTML, open curly bracket, margin, colon, 0, semicolon. Notice that the basic syntax for CSS coding is you're going to use a colon to separate attribute from a parameter, and you're going to use a semicolon to separate the full attributes from each other, like that. You're going to do padding is also 0. Height 100%. Make sure you have the percent sign and you don't write it out like other people would. Alright, you're going to do close curly bracket. Now, since your ID for the image itself is BG image or whatever you put, you're going to put number sign, BG image, open curly. Whoa, I was way off. Alright, open curly bracket. Position, I'm going to explain all this in a second. This position is fixed. Left 0, top 0, Z index 1, height 100%, width also 100%. Alright, let's go ahead and plug in this. Position fixed. It's not the actual coordinates of where it's going to be, but it's just there's many different, like absolute, fixed, inherit, relative, static. We're going to use fixed because that means stay still. Not going to move at all. Left, that means it's going to be all the way to the left, no pixels, not even one little pixel to the right. That means it's going to be way over here. Top, same thing, just with the top. Now when you combine those together, it's going to be way over here in the left corner. Excuse me, I just coughed. Z-index, that's basically a layer, and this is, since the background image, you want it to be all the way in the bottom, so you need to give it a pretty low number. Height 100%, width 100%. That doesn't mean it's going to fill the whole screen. That's actually what the table does right here. That's what makes it adjust to the screen. But the width and the height, that just means it's going to be full. Like the image is going to be full. Like if you made it like 50%, it'd be like half the image size. All right. So now you're saying maybe you know a little bit about HTML and CSS, and you want to know how to create text and draw text over an IMG tag. Well, I'm just about to show you that. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got so far. F12 to open in browser after you have saved it. Now notice that there's no white spaces except for the border, which actually comes with this web browser, so don't freak out. Completely filled the screen. Now we want to add text. So inside your div, your table, your TRD, your TR, your TD, right under your image, you're going to make a new div with an ID of content, or whatever you want to use, whatever ID you want to use to specify like the text, pictures, or whatever you want to add into your website. So inside this div, you're going to have your actual content for the website. So I'm just going to write P align equals center, and around quotations. And then you're going to write, I don't know, why hello there. Why hello there. In the P, now in the div. Now down to your CSS, you're going to basically do the exact same thing, number sign, content, because that's what your ID is. You're going to basically just copy everything from the previous thing down, but just a few adjustments. Position is absolute. Make sure you put absolute, not fixed. Top Z index, you don't want it to be at the bottom like the other one is. You want to give it a pretty high number, so it's going to stay on the top. Pretty high number, such as 70. Depends how you want to layer things. Height, 100%. Width, also 100%. And there you have it. I'm just gonna, since my background is kind of dark and the text is defaultly black, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight text in the designer. You can HTML code this in, but I'm too lazy to do that, so I'm just gonna make it white in color, size, say 50. It's a pretty good size. Font, I'm just gonna pick a True Crime. That's a pretty good font. Alright, there you have it. We're gonna save it. F12 to open in browser. Alright, notice that since it's minimized, you'd think it'd show up like way over here, because that'd be the actual center of your screen, but it wants to stay the center of the web browser. So let's say you want to make it bigger, automatically adjust the size of the image, automatically adjust the position of the text. I have not yet figured out how to change size of a text according to this, so if you know how to do that, please give me a shout out. Maybe send me a private message, or just put on comments for anyone else to see. And you notice that it changes position also, and if you had, whoa, that's nice. If you had a picture, it actually, if you had another image in your content, it would resize the image, just like it's doing with this one, according to, like you had an image right here, like your logo, website logo, it would, like, let's say you viewed this on an iPhone, it'd work perfectly. I actually did that to my website, and looks great. So have fun, customize any way you want. Happy CSS coding. Peace.